how big websites or companies stay online even when one computer crashes?
That's because they use a clustered OS.
Let's find out how it works.
So, what is clustered operating system? So, clustered operating system connects two or more computers called nodes to work together as one powerful system. They share tasks, memory, and storage to make work faster and safer. So, the main purpose of a clustered OS is to give better performance, reliability, and availability. Even if one computer fails, others can keep things running.
So here is how a clustered OS works. First, a task is sent to the cluster. Second, the operating system divides the job among the computers. Each computer works on this part at the same time. And lastly, the results are combined and sent back to the user. So if one computer breaks down, the others automatically take over. This is called failover. That's teamwork in action.
These are the real-life examples. Clustered operating systems are used in many real-life systems such as Google servers to handle millions of searches every second, banking systems to make sure transactions never stop, hospitals and universities to process and store big amounts of data quickly and safely.
And these are the advantages and disadvantages of clustered OS. Number 1, very reliable. It keeps working even if one computer fails. Number 2, fast and powerful. Tasks are shared among computers. Number 3, easy to expand. You can add more computers anytime. And these are the disadvantages. Expensive to set up and maintain. Needs skills to people to manage. More complex than normal systems. In short, a clustered operating system is all about teamwork,
Computers working together to share tasks.
Prevent failures
and make systems strong.